Ryan Breton has a look at our full forecast and just a beautiful Wednesday today.
Unless you're right at the coast where it went from beautiful to dismal.
A little change.
Yes,
yeah.
But if you're like 5 miles inland still, it is
clear.
Beautiful out there right now. So take a look at what's coming up. Tomorrow is the first day of spring, and when you think of spring in Maine, you don't really think of bright sunshine. You probably think of a day that will be more like tomorrow. We'll have areas of fog, clouds, and drizzle through the day. And then the next system that comes in on Friday begins as rain, but may actually flip over to some wet snow. And the weekend looks good, but it will be milder on Saturday, a bit chillier on Sunday. Look at the map right now. 38 degrees in Portland. The wind coming in off the ocean, and that fog bank has started to roll in as well. But for 95% of the state, it's still sunny and quite mild. We're near 60 right now in Freiburg. Here you see that bank of low clouds and fog on the visible satellite moving inland. It actually was on parts of the mid-coast earlier today, but now it's pushed south and is invading Casco Bay, Cumberland, and York counties right now. The rest of the state, though, nice and sunny. As we look off to the west, though, we do have another storm system, and that's what's coming for tomorrow night into Friday. It begins as rain, but this area of low pressure will pull down some cold air once it goes by, and we'll actually see a changeover to snow in spots on Friday. So overnight tonight, the low clouds and fog will spread inland. There won't be much rain, but there could actually be a little mist or drizzle that develops by tomorrow morning. And it's just a chilly, raw day tomorrow. Temperatures will struggle to rise into the 40s, and the only sun you'll see tomorrow will probably be in far northwest Maine and northern New Hampshire, far enough away from the onshore wind. Temperatures during the day tomorrow with the clouds, with areas of fog, mist, and drizzle. Again, mainly in the 40s, but mildest farther inland, Freiburg and Millinocket, getting into the 50s or to around 50 tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night it remains mild, and that next system comes in from the west. So by Friday morning, this is 6 a.m., temperatures will be above freezing, and we'll likely have some rain showers out there Friday morning. But as the center of low pressure goes by, the wind will turn around to the northwest, and we'll have rain that flips over to snow in spots on Friday. Now look at the temperatures. They don't dramatically drop, so we're unlikely to get much accumulation outside of the mountains. But there could be a little slushy snow, especially on some of the grass and spots Friday, as this all comes through. But again, given the time of year, it's going to be falling during the day and temperatures should be above freezing. Most of the accumulation would be in elevated areas, perhaps 1 to 3 inches in the mountains, maybe a bit more in the White Mountains. Elsewhere, just slushy coatings and some flakes mixing in farther south. As for the weekend, Saturday looks nice, into the 50s for most, but a cold front goes by Saturday night. Sunday brings lots of sunshine, but it's a chilly and breezy day. Highs will be in the 30s to around 40 on Sunday. Marine forecast sees 3 to 5 feet. A small craft advisory is up for the day tomorrow. So a dreary, drizzly day tomorrow. There may be some areas of fog, especially in the morning. Rain that flips over to snow on Friday. Again, with temperatures above freezing, though, there probably won't be much accumulation outside of the mountains. Saturday, mild. Sunday, colder and breezy. And then the next system on Monday begins as snow and flips over to rain. So there are still some hints of winter in the 7-day, even though tomorrow is the first day of astronomical spring.
Well, we knew.
Yes.
We knew this was going to happen.
Yeah.
Ryan, thank you.